OBS Studio versus Filmora. Which video software is better? Choosing the right video editing software can transform your content creation without overwhelming complexity. OBS Studio offers powerful live streaming, while Filmora focuses on user-friendly editing. OBS Studio and Filmora serve video creators but differ significantly. OBS Studio is designed for live streaming and recording with advanced customization, whereas Filmora prioritizes easy-to-use editing tools and effects for polished videos without a steep learning curve. OBS Studio is an open-source software primarily built for live streaming and screen recording. It works by capturing video from multiple sources, such as cameras, screens, and microphones, allowing users to mix and switch between scenes in real time. Its strengths lie in its flexibility, extensive plugin support, and no-cost access, making it ideal for gamers, educators, and professional streamers who need precise control over their broadcast. However, OBS Studio's interface can be intimidating for beginners, requiring time to learn its setup and configurations. It lacks built-in video editing tools, so post-production must be done in separate software. Overall, OBS Studio suits users who want powerful streaming capabilities and customization without a budget, but who are comfortable with a steeper learning curve and external editing. Filmora is a commercial video editing software designed to simplify the editing process for creators of all levels. It offers an intuitive drag-and-drop interface with a wide range of built-in effects, transitions, and templates. Filmora supports multi-track editing, color correction, and audio enhancement, making it suitable for creating polished videos quickly. Its strengths include ease of use, extensive creative assets, and integrated export options for social media platforms. Limitations include fewer advanced features compared to professional editors and a subscription or one-time purchase cost. Filmora is ideal for vloggers, marketers, and casual creators who want to produce high-quality videos without the complexity of professional software. It balances functionality with accessibility, enabling smooth editing workflows without technical hassle. Comparing OBS Studio and Filmora highlights their distinct purposes. OBS Studio excels in live streaming and real-time recording, perfect for interactive broadcasts and multi-source setups. It requires technical knowledge and external editing tools for post-production. Filmora focuses on post-recording video editing with a user-friendly interface and rich creative options, making it easier to craft visually engaging content quickly. For example, a streamer might use OBS Studio to capture gameplay live, then edit highlights in Filmora. The trade-off is between OBS's free, powerful streaming capabilities and Filmora's paid, streamlined editing experience. Choosing depends on whether live streaming or polished video editing is your priority. Choose OBS Studio if you need robust, cost-free live streaming and recording with deep customization, and you are comfortable managing separate editing software. Filmora is the better choice for those focused on straightforward video editing with creative tools and quick results. It offers a smooth learning curve and polished output, making it ideal for content creators who want to edit and publish without technical barriers.